Go.
Okay. Now we take our boneless, skinless thighs and we open them up so that they look like a butterfly. And I pat them dry. With a paper towel. Open them all up. Some of it comes loose, just put it in your pan.
Just do one. That's enough.
Okay. All right. Anytime you're messing with raw meat, keep your hands nice and clean. Okay. After you've patted them dry, I'm going to sprinkle them with a little, not much, just a little salt and pepper for the inside to flavor, because your filling's already flavored. That's all. Just a little drizzle. Now you start. If you don't want to touch any of this meat, you can wear gloves. Put a small amount in the middle, because a lot goes a long way when you're rolling it. Okay? And we'll just turn one flap and roll. And I use a toothpick. Just hold them together. Put the cut side down. And continue doing that till they're all done. At this point, if you want to freeze them, you can freeze some. That way you can have them ready to go whenever you need them. Okay? Face down. Just add the little pieces that are left. Same thing if you're going to make a braciole. These are kind of big. Those I would cut in half because they are big. Put your meat in the center. It's the same meat you would stuff a flank steak to make soup. You can make soup with these, or you can bake these in the oven. Same idea. Roll them, cut side down. Now with the flank steaks, before when I'm ready to use them, I would saute them in in butter and olive oil a little bit before I would bake them in the oven. So I would start them out, and then they make a delicious gravy. Okay, that's what they should.
There's a lot of meat there. What are you going to do with all that?
All those. I have all of them.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
And then what do you do with them?
Okay, girlies. Now you bake them in the oven. Once you get them done, I'm going to freeze these, but once you get them all in the oven, you drizzle with olive oil and salt and pepper on tops of them. Drizzle them with olive oil. Little bit, light hand. Keep a light hand. That's it. They get turned over like that. And then the olive oil lets all the juices release. And then when you go to serve
How long, at what temperature you bake?
They have to reach 160 degrees inside.
What temperature?
350 degrees.
For how long?
For probably 45 minutes. 45 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, now wait, girls. And then they make a good gravy. Remove them. Put them on a dish. Leave all the drippings. And then you can use a dish like this because it goes on top of the stove. And put about 3/4 of a cup of white wine. And stir it and stir it and stir it in. It makes a delicious gravy for the top. And when it's done and half of the wine has been absorbed, add a pat of butter. Pat means a tablespoon of butter. Stir it and pour it over top when you serve them. Slice these into little rounds. They look like little pinwheels. Okay, got it? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Enjoy. Bye-bye.
First
Grammy.
video recipe from Grammy's Kitchen. Bye.
Bye, girlies.